smiling face of each and every young girl is the mark of God's quality. In this beautiful world, each girl child has the privilege to see the magnificent life, and it is the responsibility of the people to give them the importance they deserve. A very charming morning to everyone present here. This is Meenakshi Chaudhary from class 8 presenting morning assembly on the very special occasion of International Day of the Girl Child. My dear friends, this day is celebrated annually on 11th of October to empower and amplify the voices of girls around the world. This year, the world is celebrating International Day of the Girl Child under the theme Digital Generation, Our Generation. Well, this day is like blessing as it acknowledges the importance, power and potential of adolescent girls by encouraging the opening up of more opportunities for them. And now let us start today's morning assembly with God's prayer first. And pray to God, may this world become a safer and happier place for the girl children to live happily. So everybody get ready for prayer. Join your hands and close your eyes. Start prayer. After prayer, despite the differences in cultures, languages and religions, our India is united in its diversity. Patriotism is a bridge connecting a citizen to his motherland. Pledge instills a sense of patriotism for our country, and it's time to take oath. And for this, I would like to invite Shaurya from class 8th. Thank you very much, Shaurya. Established in 2012, International Day of the Girl addresses the needs and challenges that girls face around the world. It promotes empowerment, education, and employment skills, alongside the attainment of basic human rights. This day is a reminder not only to fight for equity, but to empower the next generation with the skills and resources that they need to succeed. People must get involved in this. Let's take some inspiration from Thought of the Day. And for today's thought, I would like to invite Sanaya from class 8th. Good morning, everyone. My name is Sanaya. Thought of the day is: never limit yourself because of others' limited imagination. Never limit others because of your own limited imagination. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you very much, Sanaya. Reading news helps us to learn something new every day. It develops a critical mind and keeps us safe during emergencies, as it is a good source of knowledge and entertainment. But sometimes we don't get time to read the newspaper. For today's news headlines, I would like to invite Ashi from class 8. Thank you so much, Ashi. How can we build up a vocabulary if we never meet any new words? It's time to enhance our vocabulary because next we have word of the day. And for today's new word, I would like to invite on stage Trisha from class 8th. Good morning, everyone. My name is Trisha. Word of the day is innovation. And the meaning of this word is something new and different and is creative work. And the synonym of this word is transformation, renovation, recasting. And antonyms are conservation and maintenance. And I'm using this word in a sentence. Over the years, the watch brand has been at the forefront of design and innovation. Thank you and have a nice day. Thank you very much, Trisha, for enhancing our vocabulary. Girls play multiple roles in the household, society, and the economy. They go to school, help with housework, work in factories, care for elder and younger family members, and prepare themselves to take on the responsibilities of adulthood. Then why discrimination? Everyone should come together and support the girls in all forms, including in the field of education, and increased awareness of the struggles being faced by girls today. What is the role of people in making this day more meaningful? To focus on the importance of International Day of Girl Child, I would like to invite Suryansh from class 9th. Thank you very much, Suryansh. And after National Anthem, at the end of today's morning assembly, I would like to say, never doubt that you are valuable, powerful, and deserving of every opportunity in the world. Just move on to pursue your own dreams. And here I end today's morning assembly. Thank you to all of you. Have a nice day.